The 2015 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and intuitive all-wheel drive for confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, backup camera, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.